How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. I just want to take a quick moment to thank everyone for supporting the channel, commenting, liking our videos, sharing our videos. We actually hit 15,000 subs, which is just unreal. Never thought we would get to that number. 9,000 of those were this year. So I want to appreciate and thank every last one of you guys for supporting us. This year is going to be crazy. I actually have a bunch of videos in queue. But hopefully all my videos have helped each and one of you guys out, whether it be technicians or business development. If you need to reach me, the best place is on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me at Dentless Touch, please. And again, thank you for the support, and see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.